Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments, and I thank those that are my new subscriber. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Today's video is all about styling. I so much believe in recycling my outfits, and when I say recycling, I meant restyling them, either with a new different pairs of accessories or different shoes, or wearing a whole and old jeans with a new t-shirt. So today is all about dressing down your simple t-shirt up or dressing it down. So I just pick up 2 or 3 of my t-shirts in my closet and I pair them up. One of it I paired with a black jean with a belt and shoes to style it up. The other one I dressed it down with the sneakers, white sneakers. And I came up with putting on a blazer or something like a jacket on me to keep you warm in this cold weather. And at the same time, I went ahead and paired this particular t-shirt with a skirt. So right here, I went ahead and pick up another t-shirt. That t-shirt is just like a basic common kind of t-shirt that you can just wear to do your errands. But if you want to dress it up, I paired it with a skirt, with a belt. I also went ahead and paired with a matching shoes. Unfortunately, I couldn't show the old look all the way down like it was in the beginning of this video. Those parts were shot by my oldest son, but he has to go do his basketball training, so I had to let him go. So I decided to do the rest of the shooting by myself. So please continue watching. So this is where I pair another jacket with the other outfit that you saw in order to keep you warm if you're going to go out there in this cold weather, this winter weather I mean to say. So that is I just put a little kind of a hair accessory on top of my hair just to jazz that up, and I went ahead and pick up a leather skirt with a basic common t-shirt. I keep saying that because that is it. You can see the shredded design in front of the sweatshirt. I call this a sweatshirt because it's a long sleeve and it's very simple, but if you want to dress it up, this is how I'm going to do it. Like if you want to look like you're going to the office or just meeting up with the girls for dinner or something. So this is how I'm going to pair it up with very simple accessories, a black shoe with a black skirt, and I'm showing the detail of the t-shirt. I got this shirt from when I ordered some stuff from the clothing under $10. Okay, so I went ahead and paired this plain t-shirt, white common t-shirt with a flowery skirt. I mean, this is really cool for this period. And again, I paired it with a boot. I don't know if you can see it. I paired with a boot in order to keep my feet warm during this winter time, and it's so simple and I so much like it. It's so comfortable. In order for me to give it a little bit more of style, to make it look more stylish and more chic, you know, I just jazz it up with a light jacket. This is not going to keep you warm, so if you need something to keep you warm, you need to go for something that is very thick. This is just my own way of styling it up and making it look more chic and more stylish. So I'm just kind of feeling myself right now, like, oh man, look at her, look at her. So gorgeous people, this is just a bonus style. This is a dress, this is not a t-shirt. I just started to bring in this one into this t-shirt styling. This is a dress that you can wear to go for a night out, you know, to go clubbing, whichever night out you want to go for. I decided to wear this in order for my viewers that will be watching this video up to the end to see how you can actually still dress this up in this cold weather. So I'll be doing something with it, but I just want you to keep watching. Please watch till the end and see how I'm going to dress this up again. Okay, right there I pick up one of my turtleneck from my closet and I paired with it. Bam! Just look at that. That's just switch up the old look and it makes it look more sophisticated. Like seriously, it's gonna keep you warm. Just put your jacket on it and you're good to go. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment, leave me likes, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Let me know what you think about this video. Please continue watching and continue hanging in there. I will keep trying. Thank you so much. I just have to do my mini rock, you know. My kids told me this is in vogue, so I said, oh yeah, mom can dance it too. Thank you all for watching.